In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to switch between formats like month first or day first, and how to make sure the change is applied across your workspace. First, start by logging into your Asana account. Use your usual credentials and wait for your Home or My Tasks view to load. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or an account icon. Click that to open your account menu. This is where Asana keeps personal preferences and profile controls, so it's the best place to look for anything related to how your interface appears. From that menu, choose My Settings or Account Settings. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but it's the option that opens a settings window or panel for your personal account. Inside settings, take a moment to scan the tabs or sections. You're looking for anything labeled display, language, region, or date and time. Asana typically groups these preferences together, and the date format is often tied to your language or regional selection. If you see a dedicated date and time control, great. Go ahead and pick the format you prefer. If you don't see a standalone date option, change your language or region instead. For example, switching your region to a country that uses day, month, year will usually update dates throughout Asana to that format. Similarly, language preferences can influence how dates appear, so choosing a language variant that matches your region can help. Take a second to preview or think through the change. This affects how you read deadlines and schedules across projects. Once you've made your selection, save your settings. Some versions of Asana autosave when you switch options, but if there's a save or done button, be sure to click it. After saving, reload Asana to apply the change. The quickest way is to refresh your browser tab. If you're using the desktop app, close and reopen it. When Asana comes back up, open a task with a due date or check your calendar view to confirm the format now matches your preference. If the format doesn't change, double check that you adjusted the correct setting, language versus region, and try a quick reload again. In some organizations, certain preferences may be standardized, so if you still don't see the option, it might be managed at the workspace level. And that's it. You've updated your Asana date and time format and verified it's working.